I told you we have variety of broken maize for all stages. We have that one for the starter. This is the size. You can see how it is. For starter, 1 day old chicks to 2 months. You can see. 2, we have this stage here for the growers, 2 months plus. Then we have this one for the mature ones. But still we mix according to the stage of the chicks. The choice is yours, either to add the maize brand or not to add the maize brand. 2, you can use either single-handedly broken maize or single-handedly maize brand. The choice is yours. But it is in Africa here, mainly in Uganda, where we feed our chicks with the husks or residues. But in developed countries, they use broken maize, not maize brand. I'm Luigare'Isa Bakibinga. Now, when we are mixing the feeds here, these are the ingredients we need. Okay? Broken maize is here. We have the concentrate. This is the concentrate I'm always talking about. Simply because the concentrate we are having is made from 3 plants. 1, soya bean. 2, jaka beans. 3, lab. Somebody may ask, what are the jaka beans and what are the lab? If you have never known that the ingredients you are buying in Uganda are made from jaka beans, let your eyes and mind be opened now. What these people did, they came as tourists. When they found these jaka beans and lab in the forests, they took them, such that planted them, added value to them, packed them, and brought them to Uganda here. If you can afford, if you have a certain land where you can plant the lab and plant the jaka beans, even the soya beans, we don't need again to go and buy these concentrates from abroad, because we have the capacity of planting them. We have the capacity of making our own feeds. With me, Luigare'Isa Bakibinga. Now we get the broken maize, as you see here. We add our concentrates, as you see here. We add the calcium. When we talk of the calcium, we have 3 types of calcium. 1, we have the particle one, with this one here. 2, we have what we call the livestock feed. But the livestock feed is made from bones. Then we have the calcium made from shells. The broad objective of adding these shells or calcium is to make sure that the bones and the shells are hard. if it comes to laying, if these chicks in the feeds, they lack calcium, their eggs will be teke. This is the content and the reason why we add in calcium. Then we add in salt. We have two types of salt. This one is called the brown salt. But once you fail to get this one, use the iodine. You use it for cooking at home. My followers, if you fail to get the brown salt, this 1 kilograms is put in 100 kgs of the mixed feeds. 1 kilogram is put in 100 kilograms of the mixed feeds. We are going to give you the formula for mixing all the stages from 1 day old to their maturity. Once you use the fake feeds, 1, your chicks will get stunted. 2, your chicks will have the problem of coccidiosis. 3, the production of the eggs, if at all they are laying, will go down. If you are into broilers, the formula for mixing feeds for the broilers, which you termed as chicken for meat, as if the local chicks are for beans. That's why I fail to understand. Broilers are nyama. What of Uganda, zabijanjalo? You see, people fail. And at times you say, njagala ziri ezibika, layers. Which one? Enzungu. They are layers. What of the locals? Ziri zizala. People, you are on living agriculture. You can follow us on YouTube channel, and our channel is Living Agriculture with me, Luigare. We are located on Kawanda Kitezi Road. Just 2 kilometers. Once you reach here, make sure you ask every question you need to learn regarding the feeds. I told you the broad objective of being here is to ensure that all our feeds are genuine. Now, we have the business of using the ordinary ingredients. What are the ordinary ingredients? These are the mukene. Once you use fish meal, you add in cotton meal, you add in sunflower, you add in blood, and even soya bean. But once you use only these concentrates, what you need to do, make sure you don't add any other ingredients. Once you use this concentrates here, what you need to add in, it is calcium and salt. In case of any further consultation apart from the store here, we are located in the new tax park, Katoke stage, 3rd floor. Our business office, we are in the new tax park, Katoke stage, 3rd floor. If it requires service provision in terms of monitoring, treatment, you just come to the office there. And if it comes for the feeds, you come here. This is where you get the feeds. But still at the office there, we have them. Even you can call me or reach me on 0772 006944. I repeat, if it requires direct interaction for consultation, reach me on 0772 006944. Airtel 0702 42 82 36. I repeat, if it is consultation for the diseases, the control and the treatment, 0702 42 82 36. If not that, look for our YouTube channel called Living Agriculture. That's where we are located. Every episode you would desire to learn or to know, we are always there. I thank you for viewing. I thank you for liking. I have seen someone asking, hey, you mean even he can sit down? Why can't I sit down if at all where I'm sitting is clean? You see, these chicks are like people. In that, if it comes to mixing the feeds, make sure where you mix these feeds is very clean to avoid the contamination of feeds. And if the place is very clean, you will avoid the coccidiosis disease. Luigare my names. Now, if it comes to the concentrates, we have two types. If at all we are using jubairi, if it is jubairi, J stands for the company. By the way, jubairi is a family name. B, it is for broilers. Then C stands for concentrate. You will find that it is JBC. J, it is for jubairi, company name. Then B for broilers, chicks from 1 day old to 2 to 3 months. Then C, it is the concentrate. If your chicks are above growers, buy the feeds with the JLC. L stands for layers. I thank you for viewing and I thank you for liking. With me, Isa Luigare Bachibinga.